Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. As Bitcoin basically traded sideways through this weekend as expected, I have a very important video for you heading into this very important week. We have a monthly close tomorrow, and I'm going to show you all the signs that I am seeing on the chart overall that are bearish for me, and I will give you the count that I am playing and show you the count that I am playing that will coincide with these bearish signals that I am seeing. As you know, the market is very bullish right now, and I understand that. We all get why Bitcoin looks bullish, the markets look bullish, but I'm here to just kind of curb your expectations and give you a little bit of a dose of reality. And I need to explain myself as to why I'm thinking the way I'm thinking here. So stick around through this video. I'm going to show you the wave structure that I am playing here. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay all the way through this video. If you're new here, join the free Discord linked in the description below. If you want to learn my style of trading, I have a free course in there that gives you an overview of how I trade. So join the free Discord, bunch of learning material in there. See you in Discord. As you all know, I do have a swing short opened up over on Blowfin. It's just kind of chilling, messing around. I'm swing short, and I'm going to show you my stop loss on this trade and how I'm playing this. If you guys do want to trade on Blowfin, there are no KYC, and tomorrow is the last day to use this promotion. The link pinned in the first comment down below will enter you automatically into this. It's a free trade, so put a trade in by tomorrow. You get $100 refunded on your first loss. I usually don't recommend this, but 100x it. If you lose $100, put your stop loss at $101. If you lose, you get refunded your $100. So either you bank or you get refunded. Go utilize that before tomorrow. It does expire tomorrow. I wanted to get that out before this video starts. Now, looking at the Bitcoin chart, we're going to go over the reasons why I am seeing things short-term bearish here. Number one, we're sitting on the weekly. All right, we're sitting on the weekly. I will say momentum is coming up quite nicely. This looks bullish. VWAP is extended. We're in the green with the money flow. It looks bullish, guys. It does. Everyone is saying the weekly RSI broke out here. We have a weekly RSI breakout. Weekly is going to close tonight. It's going to be closed, broken out. That is fine. What I'm here to tell you, usually when you have a break of the trend line like this, you will get some sort of retest of that trend line. You can go back through the history and you can see how many times this actually happens. We had a breakout here, retest, right? Let's see, we had a breakout here. You could say breakout here, you could say breakout here, you could say breakout here, retest. We had a breakout here, no retest, right? Then we had a breakout here, retest, retest, right? Most of the time, it's going to retest on you. There's going to be some kind of pullback. And that's what I'm looking for if this wave structure plays out. There's a variety of reasons if you're looking at this Elliott wave, just with Elliott wave, why I think it's coming down. I think it's a flat. It's what it looks like to me. But there's a variety of other reasons. So we're going to get into all of that. And I'm going to show you close up as well, kind of what we're looking at. But as you guys know, I'm a swing trader. I trade swings. These are all the calls that I've had in my previous videos where we were swinging. Hit all of these swings. Everyone is extremely bullish here, we were shorting. Everyone is extremely bearish here, we were longing. Everyone is extremely bullish here. Nothing has changed for me, okay? I had this target in mind all the way since we were down here. This was the target. This was the target. Everyone can attest to it. We are at the target, and nothing has changed with my plan. Actually, things look quite perfect with the plan right now. Will it work out? Time will tell. And I'm ready to be wrong, guys. Let's shoot this up for the moon, boys. I'm ready to be wrong, but I'm sticking with my guns on it right now. So, looking at the weekly, RSI most likely it's going to close, broken out. Do we get a retest? A retest of this RSI, something like this in length. You know, if let's zoom in just on the weekly, and just to put this into perspective, what kind of move you're looking at. If we get this big candle to the downside, this massive wave to the downside, was all part of this little wave on the weekly RSI, this little wave, if we just get one of those waves, look how big that is. You can at least come down to right here, at least. And that's the move that we're playing over on the flat. All right, so this is just my first point. Usually you're going to get a retest of the RSI breakout more times than not. So don't think just because we broke RSI we're going. Next, looking at the monthly. Now, I'm sure everyone's saying, "Oh, we had a doji candle. We have a bullish hammer candle. We're gonna have a monthly close tomorrow. If this closes above here, everyone's gonna be screaming, 'We had a monthly close above. This is so bullish.'" It is bullish, guys. It is bullish. But as the next month candle opens, it's not gonna, most likely, it's not gonna open and just shoot straight up and not retest some of this candle, right? Usually, you're going to see a candle open, come down, retest some of this candle, maybe even come down here, and then continue. Ultimately, the candle might close up here, but not without it coming down here, right? So just because things look bullish does not mean it will be without pullbacks, right? As traders, you must know this. Third thing we're going to look at, 4 hour. The 4 hour. We have bearish divergence just setting in on the chart. On everything, guys. I mean, bearish div, bearish div, bearish div. Higher high on price, lower high on momentum, lower high on RSI. Does this play out? If we get a break below this level and close below this level, it will be solidified bearish divergence. All right, and there is a good probability it will play out with a 4 hour bearish divergence. Is no joke, guys. On the 4 hour time frame, you're talking big moves, right? I'm not talking mega dump, but I'm talking a big move. All right, next thing we're going to look at, over in the premium Discord, I did show everyone this as well. Look at all of this liquidity to the downside, guys. This is unbelievable, the amount of liquidity to the downside right now. At least down to 61, 62K. And if you're on the zoomed out liquidation charts, the heat maps, there's a bunch of liquidity down like 52K. The liquidity is there. Are they going to keep all of these liquidations intact, guys, and just keep zipping this to the upside? Are they going to make all of these longs all of that money and just keep ripping to the upside? Maybe they're feeling, in the giving mood. I doubt it. I doubt it. It just don't look good. Just don't look good. Guys, over in the premium Discord, once you're in the free Discord, there are these premium channels. You need to be subscribed for it. I do post daily alerts. I give constant setups. I'm constantly in the chat. My indicators are included. And there's 24/7 live Elliott wave charts. I keep constantly updated for you guys. We do premium live streams. Just go to upgrade here. Click the WAP link, and you can sign up through there. It connects directly with your Discord. Use the code 25OFF for $25 off of your first month if you want to give it a try. This code is expiring Friday morning, October 4th. So you have this week. If you want to give it a try, $25 off your first month with code 25OFF. I'll see you over in premium. Really want you guys to learn this stuff. When I see other people succeed, it gives me a different level of satisfaction, and I want to keep that satisfaction coming, baby. So join up premium. Let me see you fucking win, baby. All right. Now, looking at the actual Elliott wave pattern that we're playing. I'm playing a swing, and for me, it looks like a correction down in the form of a flat. A correction up is how I'm counting it right now. The swing that I'm playing is a short at the 1-to-1 extension of this A wave for our correction here. We are tickling it right now. My stop loss is basically set right around 67K, 67.2K. I usually put my stop loss, because I am playing the 1-to-1 fib. I usually put it a little more than halfway up, because you can expect it to kind of jerk around here. Very rarely does it hit off and then pixel it and then reject. So you got to give it a little room to breathe, right? So we're short. Stop loss is all the way up here, and I'm playing a big boy swing down. Why am I playing it down? I'm just pulling fibs right here, like this. I'm targeting liquidity zones down here. It may not make it all the way. It may just come to the 1-to-1 here around 56K, right? But there is on heat maps liquidations down here. It would be evil to come down, take out everything, have it look ultra bearish again, keep this low intact, and then just rip it to the upside, right? From here, it could do a number of different things. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but we're just worried about what's going on right now, just for trading purposes. But it can do a number of different things. I have 2 to 3 different counts that it can do from right here, and I do have a favorite count in mind as well if we get this move. I'm not going to really look into it right now or share that with you right now. So also, why I'm targeting the 1-to-1 just as a trader, just from watching this market over and over and over again, the higher that we creep here towards this trend line that we have put in, the more we get close to it, the more shorts are going to pile up shorting this trend line, guys. And for me, if they creep close to this trend line, I highly doubt they're going to reject it off of that trend line. They're going to at least fake out and break it. But a break of this trend line for me is very, very bullish, and I just don't even want to see this trend line even messed with. So turning around right here would kind of keep the shorts out of play, because people are probably waiting to short this and have the longs trapped. You know what I'm saying? So this is a perfect spot. We took liquidity here. There was major liquidations here, and let's come down and party, guys. Let's come down and party. Going smaller time frame on this. Smaller time frame. Yeah, right now I don't see a lot that is ultra, dumpy to the downside from where we're at. This looks corrective down, corrective up, some type of a corrective down, corrective up. It's just sideways right now. It's just sideways. Really nothing that is impulsive correction that I could be like, okay, let's short this, let's put a trade in. But I am swing short. I'm hoping that this high holds here. I want to see it hold. It would be great. But we could put in one last high. Zoomed out a little bit. It does look like a finished 5 waves here, guys. It looks like a finished 5 waves. So we have some sort of pattern like this. Finished 5 waves here, that's done. You'd expect at least a correction down, and then if it wants to continue, it can go. At least a correction down. So there should be some sort of down move coming here. But I am swing short. I have plenty of clearance on my short trade. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Never trade more than you're willing to lose, guys. Always remember that. But that's what I have for you here today. As we go into this week, I will be posting daily videos, guys. You know how I'm doing it. So subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'll see you over in the premium Discord if you want to stay up to date constantly with what I'm doing. And I'll see you over on Blowfin. All right. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I love you all. Trade safe.